Hi everyone, you're welcome to Explore Insights. In today's content, I want to show you on how to convert octal number base system to decimal base system. If you're just joining us for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is our task today, to convert octal system to decimal base system. So all we have to do is to follow the rule of summing up the digit value, which has to go with the product of 8 with its place values. Take note, P is place value. To better understand this, let me take an example. Example 1. So let's say we are given 11 in base 8 and we are asked to find x in base 10. So all I have to do is to indicate the place value. So in this scenario, the place value for this is 0 and 1. So what does that mean? It means I'm going to have 1 times 8 plus 1 times 8. Please make sure you put the place value accordingly. Never mix it up, else you have a wrong answer. Now this is 1 times 8 in the power of 1, 1 times 8 in the power of 0. So I'm going to put 0 here and 1 here. So to sum that up, I'm going to have 8 in the power of 1 is 8 plus 8 in the power of 0 is 1 plus 1. So that gives us 9 in base 10. So let's look at example 2. Let's say we have the value 11.108. And let's look for the value of x in base 10. Find x. Just like we have the value of 11 in base 8 to be 9, but let's first of all get the place value. So the place value in this scenario, considering the dot, towards this part has 0, 1, whereas this other part will have -1, -2. So in that manner, I'm going to have 1 times 8 in the power of 1 plus 1 times 8 in the power of 0 plus, remember the summation, plus 1 times 8 in the power of -1 plus 0 times 8 in the power of 2. Okay, let's go ahead to sum that. 8 in the power of 1 times 1 is 8. 8 in the power of 0 is 1 times 1, 1. Plus, this is 1 over 8. And this, 8 to the power of 2, anything multiplied by 0 is definitely 0. So that will give us 9.125 in base 10. So it means our S is 9.125. What about if we are giving value that consists of more zeros? What do you do in that situation? It means at that point we have to discard the 0 values. What do I mean? Let's consider example 3. Let's say we have 1, 0, 0, 0, dot 2, 1, base 8. So we want to find the value of x. Okay, so let's put the place value first. So PV, which is place value, from this dot we have 0, 1, 2, 3. While towards the side, from left to right, we have -1, -2, considering the decimal places. Now, at this point, we are to have 1 times 8 raised to the power 3, 0 times 8 raised to the power 2, but anything that multiplies 0 will definitely be 0. Imagine yourself in an exam situation. You wouldn't have enough time, so you just have to discard anything that has 0, because anything that multiplies 0 will be 0, and be interested in only this value that has 1. So that is 1 times 8 raised to the power 3 plus 2 times 8 raised to the power -1 plus 1 times 8 raised to the power -2. So this is what I used for here. This is what I used for here. And this is what I used for here. Now, if you go ahead to punch your calculator, 8 in the power of 3, we have 512 plus 2 times 1 over 8, that's 2 over 8 is 0.25 plus 1 divided by 64 will give us 0.015625. So this will give us 512.265625. So this is the value of x. I believe you were able to understand and grab the knowledge with these 3 examples on how to convert octal base system to decimal base system. Kindly ensure that you go through my subsequent videos in this channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel. So guys, see you in my other videos. I'll be signing off now. Bye.